Hey everyone, welcome to the vlog, or you can say the video. Today we will be understanding the Microsoft licensing agreements and specifically enterprise agreement. Just for your information, it would be a very concise overview of enterprise agreements. Although there are many Microsoft agreements, but this is one of the most important widely used. So without wasting any time, let's start with the agreements. So we basically have three type of agreements. First is the enterprise enrollment, and I'm really sorry, there would be certain kind of more of the theoretical thing, but yeah, there's no alternative. Okay, so second is the server and cloud enrollment. Third is the enterprise subscription. So now we need to understand, what kind of products come under what kind of agreement. For example, if enterprise enrollment, there are desktop and on-premise products. Windows Enterprise, Official, Professional Plus, and others. In server and cloud enrollment, there are products like SQL Server, Azure Cloud Services, and under enterprise subscription, we have most of the subscription products like M365, O365, and Dynamics 365. So this was a basic how different products come under different category under different agreement. So now let's deep dive into each agreement, starting with enterprise enrollment. This is one of the very first agreement in the umbrella, and this is the most cost effective and one of the best for any of the organization. This agreement requires you to make a commitment of product across your organization with minimum 500 qualified device. Now, what are qualified device? A qualified device can be a personal desktop, a portable computer, anything which is running a Windows Pro as an OS. Just to remember, it should not be a system which is already used in server, and it should not be a point of sale system. That's the only thing. Now, products which come under enterprise enrollment and for the commitment are Windows 11 Enterprise, Enterprise and Core Cal Suite, and Office Professional Plus. Now, we need to remember that there is no such rule that we can't buy any online products. We can definitely, but commitment to above mentioned product is mandatory. Moving forward, benefits of enterprise enrollment. So you get IT infrastructure standardization on latest version of Microsoft products, best pricing and deals as compared to your normal volume licensing agreements, hybrid licensing and flexibility of doing on-prem and on cloud licensing. Now, Cal suites. Many of you must be knowing what is a Cal, but just for the beginners, it is a license which grant access to the various Microsoft services and servers. On the screen, you can see a screenshot, which would be appearing soon, of Enterprise Cal Suite and Core Cal Suites. Both consist of different level and different functionalities of access which we get towards the server and services. Okay, this can be used as a for your further knowledge. Moving to server and cloud enrollment. So, SC enrollment under the Microsoft Enterprise Agreement that enables you to standardize one or more server and cloud technologies from Microsoft given below. As you can see on the screen, that is core infrastructure, which is also known as CIS, application platform, developer platform. Okay, two things you may need to remember is that you always get Microsoft Azure with this, and you need to take software assurance with all of your infrastructure based licenses. Starting, as you must be aware with the application platform and developer platform and products. But what is CIS coverage? So basically, it is core infrastructure service where it is a license. Suppose if you are having Windows Server, you need to buy a system center, and if you have a system center, you need to buy a Windows Server under a CIS suite with software assurance. That's all. I think nothing more is left with SE now, and to get more deep diving into it. Enterprise subscription. This is one of the easy and easy to understand with all the benefits like all other enterprise agreement. The only difference which this offers is that you can increase or decrease number of counts of licenses or users at the annual renewal, so that to save a cost, or maybe do much more optimization. So for example, if you have 400 users and you want to go down to 350, you can do it at the annual renewal. So, just to clarify, I am not deep diving into all the agreements or even these agreements which I have mentioned, because I was just wanted to make you aware of what kind of agreements exist. So, and thank you all for your time. But my only motive is to help you explain what Microsoft has to offer and which is widely used. We can definitely go and understand. For that, you can just message me up anytime.